Hi guys, welcome to another compilation video, and yes, this time it's about paper planes. So I thought that paper planes are a part of everyone's childhood, so why not make some? So as you can see, I've made these paper fighter planes in 3 different styles. So basically this is what I'm gonna be showing you for today. So there's really not a need of saying anything much. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, we're gonna be making this model. So for this one, take an A4 size sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Try to make sure that it's equal. And since this is a paper plane, try to make all the creases sharp. Then open it and fold these in diagonally so that this edge touches the crease in the middle. After that, do the same for the other side. So guys, if you are experienced in making paper planes, you'll know that this is a very common base. So once again, fold it so that these edges are touching the middle. Something like this. And once again, try to make sure that both of them are equal, because if you don't get the perfect symmetry, the plane won't fly very well. So guys, it should end up looking something like this, perfectly equal. And then turn it to the other side and fold it so that this point is touching this bottom part. But it should be done so that it sits in a straight line. So after that, turn your paper to the other side and this time just fold it along both of these lines. Once again, try to make sure that this is equal. It should look something like this. And then turn it to the other side and this time along these points make a fold. It should be something like this. Then again turn it to the other side and make a fold like this. So guys, as you can see, we are starting to get our plane shape. And after that, you're just gonna fold it up like this so that this edge is touching this edge. It should be perfectly equal. And then you'll just have to mirror this thing on the other side as well. So guys, it should look something like this. And then keep it folded and this time just make a slight fold like this. It should look something like this. So this has no specific measurements. Again, just mirror it on this other side. Once again, try to make sure this is equal. And next, just adjust the size of your plane. This is made with an A4 size sheet of paper. And for this one, I've just divided the piece of paper in half. That's why that is smaller. So let's go to the next one. For the next model, we're going to be making this one. So again, take an A4 size sheet of paper and fold it in half. And once again, try to make sure that it's equal. And in case you're wondering, yes, I am again making that same plain base. So again, fold these in diagonally the way I showed you earlier. And I'm again telling you, try to make these creases very sharp and symmetrical. So guys, it should look something like this. And now fold it so that this point is touching this edge like this, and make a crease. And then you're gonna be folding just along these points. Just fold it like this. If you want, you can use a ruler for this step. So guys, it should look something like this. And after that, open this thing up and just fold it like this. Fold it so that this edge is touching the middle, but do not entirely fold it, only fold it till this mark. And again, do the same for the other one. Once again, you're just gonna have to fold it till the mark that you're left with. So guys, it should be only folded till this much. And then again, open this thing up and fold it back the way we did earlier. And then you'll just have to fold this thing like this so that this whole edge is touching the middle, and you'll see some excess here which you're just gonna squash fold like this. And again, do the same for the other side, and try to make sure that both the squash folds are equal or symmetrical. It should be something like this. So guys, basically this is the base we're gonna be needing to make this plane. And then just open this up a bit and take this part out, and then fold it like I'm showing here. Fold it like this, and then fold the excess back once again. Now do the same for this side as well. Take it out and fold the excess back inside. So guys, it should be something like this. Next, you're gonna have to make a fold which is like this, that it's coming from this edge and this point is touching this. So if you look closely, you'll understand what I mean. This point should be touching this edge, and this should be touching this edge. Now again, do the same thing for the other side as well. So guys, try to make sure that this thing is equal. So it should end up looking something like this. Next, you're just gonna have to reverse fold these like this. Just fold them up, but this time the opposite way. So reverse fold this side as well. It should be something like this. And after that, you're just gonna fold these corners in like this. So it should be folded something like this, and do the same for the other side as well. Just fold these corners in. Next, just fold this thing in half like this. So keep these open and keep it folded like this. And next, guys, you're just gonna make a fold like this so that this edge is touching this edge, and fold it all the way through. And now do the same thing on the other side. So guys, basically paper planes are all about symmetry. Not only paper planes, this works the same for all flying objects, because without symmetry nothing is able to fly. So if you want to make sure they fly, just make them symmetrical. So guys, now fold one in, and as for the other one, tuck it in like this. So this thing is secured now. So guys, as you can see, we are almost there. We just need to finish making these. So keep it folded again like this, and try to make a fold like this, but this time only make a fold along this part. And next, I'm going to use a pencil to show you. Make a mark, and again make a straight line like this. Now leaving some distance, make another line. So guys, here is a small angle. So basically just put this flap upwards and cut it along like this. This way we'll be able to cut both the edges together. And after that, put it back on and fold this thing up, and do the same thing for the other one. And guys, just adjust your plane and we're done. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, this is the model we're going to be making now, and this is also the last one. So for this, once again, take an A4 size sheet of paper and fold in the plane base, the aeroplane base, or whatever you call it. So once again, try to make sure everything is symmetrical. And after folding it up, open it and fold these edges in diagonally, just the way I showed you earlier. It should be something like this. And now fold this in such a way so that these edges align with the middle, just like this. And now do this for the other side as well. And now fold it in half once, and after that again open this thing up. And now we're gonna be folding it up like this. So there's not really an accurate measurement on how much we should be folding. It just depends. If you want the back part of your plane to be longer, then you can make this longer, and if you want the head of the plane to be longer, you can make this part longer. But I'm choosing something around this. So now just fold it up like this and turn it back to the other side, and we'll have to fold it up but along these 2 points. It should be something like this. Once again, you can turn it around to see if it's equal, and it is. And now we're going to be using this to make this. So for that, just fold these parts inwards, and after that you'll see that here's this extra part, but we'll be just folding up this extra part like this. Just squash fold it like I showed you earlier. Now I'll be doing this with the other side as well. Just fold it like this till the center, and then it's that same old squash fold technique. So guys, if you want, you can again adjust the ratios, but I guess this is okay. And now fold it like this, fold it in half, and then make a fold. This fold is a bit tough because the paper is very hard by now. So just fold it like this. So basically you'll have to make sure that this edge is touching this edge. So make this fold and again mirror it for the other side as well. So guys, as I told you earlier, all we need for making paper planes is symmetry. That is the one only important thing we need. So guys, it is looking something like this. So if you want, you can modify it to have wings like this, which I'm gonna do. So to do that, just keep this thing folded and fold this up like this. So guys, as you can see, we are done. So I guess that's the end. Honestly speaking, guys, this video was quite fun to make because it reminded me of my childhood, and every child must have flown paper planes in the past or even in the future. So guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.